Hotel Recommends is a state-of-the-art web-based software program for hotels and visitor centers. In the hospitality business, service is everything. And now with Hotel Recommends, this industry tool revolutionizes the way guest services teams work with their guests by giving them the tools they need to provide exceptional service. Properties using Hotel Recommends receive access to industry-related events, editorial reviews and area features, e-ticketing for most all attractions in the city, real-time reservations for restaurants, golf tee times, hotels, and car rentals, airline boarding passes, contact info and reservations, movie and theater tickets, calendar of events, and more, all through their own login on this web-based software program. For the first time, all of these essential components are available in one place and is a complimentary service for the property. Hotel Recommends is available in two uniquely targeted versions. The first, for staff to use while servicing a guest, and the second, as a self-service kiosk for the guests to use themselves. In both versions, the property receives an incredible amenity. Guests receive great service, while the process has never been easier. Whether you are a hotel, a concierge, a bellman, or a local business working in the visitor market, make Hotel Recommends part of your offering and strategy. For a full tour of Hotel Recommends and to learn more about how it can work for you, contact us today. We'd love to share more with you.